Hello, in this video I'll show you how to remove the AC compressor and replace the coil, the pulley and the magnetic clutch on Opel Combo. The AC compressor in this car is located on the front top of the engine. It's held by 3 bolts, one of them is there, one there and one here in the rear. We also need to remove the serpentine belt in order to remove the AC compressor. Before starting to remove the AC compressor, first we need to remove this metal plate, which is held by a couple of bolts. First we need to remove those bolts for the front bumper, and then we need to remove another 3 bolts on each side that hold this metal plate. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. In the description of the video I have links to tools that I recommend for doing jobs like this. Now that all the bolts are removed, we're going to lift this thing up and put it to the side. Next we're going to remove the bolt holding the AC lines to the AC compressor. That's the AC lines removed. Now I'm going to start removing the bolts holding the AC compressor to the engine. I'm going to start with the one at the bottom. Then I'm going to remove the one on the rear, and the last I'm going to remove the one on top, but before that I'm going to remove the serpentine belt. Before I remove the last bolt for the AC compressor, I'm going to remove the serpentine belt, but to do that, first I'm going to remove this air filter housing so that I can get access to the serpentine belt. That's the air filter housing put to the side. Now I have access to the serpentine belt. This is the serpentine belt right there, and that's the tensioner right there that we need to turn clockwise so that we can loosen the belt. I'll show you a closer view of where I put my wrench. My wrench is put on that bolt, on that pulley, and we need to turn it clockwise, and you can see the belt is getting loose. Now we can remove the belt. That's the serpentine belt removed. Now we can remove the last bolt of the AC compressor. There is also that electrical connector that we need to disconnect. I've already disconnected it. Here I'm removing the last bolt, and now I can take out the AC compressor. And that's the AC compressor out. Next I'm going to remove that nut holding the magnetic clutch. That's the nut removed. Now I'm going to pull out the magnetic clutch. If it doesn't want to come out, you might want to use 2 screwdrivers and pry them out. Here you can see there is no washers on this magnetic clutch. It's a different kind of clutch. Next I'm going to remove that lock ring so that I can remove the pulley. That's the lock ring removed. It actually flew out. Now I'm going to try and push out the lock ring, but it doesn't want to seem to move, so I'm going to use my pulley puller tool. This is my pulley puller tool. I'm going to put it on and I'm going to take out the pulley. Here you can see the pulley is coming out. And that's the pulley out. Afterwards, you don't need to use any puller tools, you just put it on. Next, I'm going to remove the lock ring holding this coil. To remove the lock ring, I'm using lock ring pliers and also a screwdriver to help me remove the lock ring. Next, I'm going to remove this metal thing that's holding the wires for the coil, and I'm going to take out the coil. The coil doesn't seem to want to move, so I'm going to use 2 screwdrivers to try and pry it out. Here you can see the coil came out. That's the coil out. Now I'm going to replace it with a new one. Once the pulley, the coil and the clutch are removed, now you can check if there is any leaks from the AC compressor here from where the coil is, but you can see on this one there is no leaks. If there is leaks, there is seals that you can replace. Now I'm going to put on the new coil in the exact same way. There is exact space where the coil is sitting, so make sure you put it that way. And afterwards you can put the lock ring by helping with a screwdriver. Next I'm going to put the pulley on and put the other lock ring on. That's the lock ring on. Now you can see the pulley is moving. If it doesn't want to move, maybe hit it with the hammer a little bit and it will start moving. It will get into its place. And next I'm going to put the magnetic clutch on and tighten it. And that's how you replace the magnetic clutch, the pulley and the coil on this AC compressor. Hopefully the video was helpful. Please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.